Well, good Sunday evening, Don Keating here in the Ohio Weather Center, and a brief rundown of what's going to be taking place within the next couple of days. You can see that we have a low pressure system located just north of Memphis, Tennessee, with a cold front stretching northward from that through the lower and middle Great Lakes region. That low will make its way off to the northeast and gradually pull this cold front with it. As you can see on our animation, it's pumping a lot of moisture northward, and you can see a pretty good, impressive line of what appears to be thunderstorms across northern Alabama into Tennessee. Now, this will make its way off to the northeast, as I said, and it'll give us some pretty beneficial rains starting Monday afternoon into Monday evening into the day on Tuesday. But once this cold front makes its way through, unfortunately, temperatures are going to drop off quite a bit, and some highs later in the week, like the middle part of the week, hump day, Wednesday. Get your jackets out because we haven't seen these type of temperatures for daytime highs in quite some time. Close-up look at Ohio can show you that temperatures are still in the mid-50s to mid-60s. There could be a few showers developing out there in west central Ohio near Wilmington, not too far from Dayton. And you can see further to the west where the frontal system is making its way to the northeast, along with the precipitation. It's bogged down because when you have a low pressure system develop on a front, that tends to slow things down. So you have to wait for these things to take time and just make their way through. It eventually will happen, but I don't know that you necessarily want to see what the results are going to be of that when it does happen. Let's take a look at the brief 3-day forecast for East Central Ohio from the National Weather Service. You can see a 70% likelihood of rain on Monday, a few showers on Tuesday as the cold front makes its way through, and a high of only 59 on Tuesday. And then Wednesday, an upper level trough moves its way through from the northwest, and that will produce more shower activity, a 50% chance of those showers. And our high temperature on Wednesday will be only 50 degrees. So again, the rain out to the west will be making its way into the area in due time. And when it does, it'll hang around for about 24 to 36 hours as a steady precipitation on and off, intermittent. And then the trough will make its way through the area a little later in the week and give us some scattered shower activity. Again, all very beneficial precipitation at this point in time. Hope you had a great Sunday, a great weekend, and I hope you enjoyed the last of the very nice mild weather, at least for the next several days. We've all learned to remind ourselves of one thing around here: never say never. Anything's possible. Have yourselves a good work week, and until the next time, I'm Don.